We made this motherfucker out, man.
Go ahead, man.
Hey, I'm spray painting dicks on everybody's shit.
That's fire. That's so appropriate and mature of you.
Hold on, Wait, we gotta make the motherfucker connect.
Oh, you wanna do like a domino?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's fun.
A domino fucking.
Yeah, I haven't played dominoes in a while.
There you go. Open that motherfucker up. Open that motherfucker up.
How you open it up?
Just tear it. Tear it.
Okay.
And you tie it.
Okay. Here, take this. I just tore this and tied it.
There's the fuse. Put this shit here. Everybody say bye, carpet.
Nah, the carpet's cooked.
You do this. Tie it.
Yeah. Bitch. Oh, I gotta do it on this side. I'm slow.
Just like so. Just like that, chat. Get in there, CD.
This is a little bit of a concoction, ain't it?
Let me see.
Okay, does that work?
Wait, let me see. You tied it?
I didn't tie it, but they're right beside each other.
Where's it? Oh, look. Like this. This is how you know I'm a fucking pro. I love this shit. Yeah. I live for this shit, man. I live for this shit, man.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I live for that shit, boy. I live for this shit.
Oh. Wait, is that safe?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
It should be. We just gotta run it.
Okay, alright, here. Boom. This one too. This one too.
What's that?
Oh, I see.
What was that?
Hey,
you ready?
Wait, hold on.
Wait, is that good?
Yeah, no, it's not this. I think you hit the green shit and then.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, hold on.
Shit. Alright. Before that. Okay, hold on. You good?
Alright, let's start over here, maybe.
Ready?
Yep.
Who you running to?
Back
over there, huh?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit!
X works the spot.
This shit nice. Hey, let me take this. Y'all not taking shit? Y'all just destroying shit?
A big ass dick.
Whoa.
What's a little dick?
Bro, put some hair in our balls.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was bad.
Oh, that shit is not breathable. Oh, that shit is not breathable, nigga.
Okay, next. Oh my god, look. This nigga's an artist.
These niggas went crazy. Yo. That's a U1, that's a Phantom, that's a MGM. You don't have any, Jack.
Come on, bro. Come on. Let's get CB some water. Here.
No, I do my fucking you got a sledgehammer? I lost it. Like I threw it through a Kai wall. And I you heard me?
Yeah.
You have a sledgehammer?
No, I
threw it through a Kai wall.
Oh, you did.
No, I
That
didn't.
happens though.
Let's move.
Show me.
Who's next?
Hey, I flushed Reggie weed, bro.
Who's next? You flushed his weed for real?
Yeah, I mean, it's in the toilet. I ain't really officially flushed it. But look at this toilet. Look.
Where is it?
Right here. Go in the bathroom. Check that shit. CB, open that shit up.
Wow!
All that shit is in there.
All of the nigga weed?
Nah, Chris, he not gonna fuck with you. I know you stash some though, nigga. Be honest.
Come on. Oh yeah, I put 2 packs in.
Okay, yeah.
Enjoy that vacay.
Hey.
Good luck, Charlie.
You know what time it is, right, Davis?
Oh yeah. Oh, no, it's tough for these niggas to enjoy that vacay. That nigga Chris,
Watch out.
he got stuck in that nigga's wall.
Reggie, mother, who's calling me? Daz, don't call me. Hello? Hello? Nigga, I didn't throw you. Nigga, I didn't throw your fucking weed in the toilet. I didn't throw your fucking weed in the toilet. Oh, he crashing. Oh, he's fucking crashing. He's fucking crashing.
No promo.
Fire in the fucking hole, guys.
Say word.
Word of bro.
I'm not doing that for real.
Fuck. I'll put it out. Oh, shit. That felt good. That felt good.
Where's the prime? Where's the prime chain?
Oh, Tyler's calling me.
He's coming.
No, he's calling me. Yo, hold on, I got some. Hold on, I want to say. Yo, hold on.